Traders, investors, what is going on? We are back. So Bitcoin's doing the thing. And so let's talk about what all this means. Because we've had some stuff happen since the last time we did the
Price spike
video.
down in MVIS.
Oh. So we've had some stuff and things go on. I actually met with a crypto fund manager this week and had a meeting. We were talking for a while, and we got on the subject of shorting in Bitcoin and his thoughts on it. He believed that a lot of shorting had been going on recently, namely banks. So JP Morgan put out this article the other day, and I thought it was really interesting. The title was JP Morgan analyst believes that Bitcoin needs to regain the 60K level fast, otherwise it'll collapse. So in classic hit piece fashion, smart money isn't stupid, right? That's why you call it smart money. So we're bouncing around in this channel, and right at a bounce point, the hit piece comes out. So we fall out of our little wedge there, try to take up to regain the ground, start to sell off again because Biden starts talking about capital gains tax, and that caused SPX to nuke. So that kind of rippled through all the markets, sending us down further. So notice how the pendulum swings. So we are falling, kind of in bear market mode, and the hit pieces start to roll out. It's interesting how they flip the script. So, the other day they're putting out bear articles as we're falling, and then as we start to reverse, cough, cough, them covering, then they start putting out articles like this. We're preparing to launch our actively managed Bitcoin fund. Like, what? Okay, dude. Now, mind you, this isn't JP Morgan covering. This isn't some cloak and dagger conspiracy thing. I mean, it's more than just them. I think my favorite quote from that little meeting I had was adopt or die. That's what the fund manager was saying, that banks are really feeling the stress and the pressure that not only Bitcoin, but just the whole crypto space is putting on them. So they're definitely not ignorant to what's going on. And so just like with any other market condition, they see a opportunity to push a stock or an asset in one direction or another, and they can do it. Yep, thought that was kind of interesting. So where does that put us? Well, I was really surprised to not see the Bitcoin tickers running today with all the strength. I mean, we gapped up in the morning, but that's pretty normal with Bitcoin tickers. They like to gap. But it didn't really hold strength. I mean, we're holding the 180 on the 5-minute chart right now. And so we'll have to see how this plays out. Tomorrow and Wednesday are going to be a bit sketchy. SPY is definitely going to be doing the knife thing. We got FOMC meetings starting tomorrow and going into the 28th. And also we should be getting an update out of Biden on the whole capital gains tax. And, obviously I'm sure he'll mention some other things. So expect some chop. In the past we've had FOMC meetings. It's done the thing. It does this kind of shit right here. We had Tesla earnings after hours. They were good. It sold off a little bit, but, standard earnings fashion. So tomorrow and this week, just in general, we have some big ones. UPS, 3M, Visa, Microsoft, Pinterest, Boeing, Apple, Shopify, Facebook, Qualcomm. I mean, all of those names in themselves carry a lot of weight in some of these indexes. So if they perform poorly, you could see that affect the greater market. So keep an eye on these. Keep an eye on when the times are, when they're actually going to be announcing their earnings, because that's going to be important moving forward this week. So what's interesting is it seems like we're back in January. We're back in December. We got runners again, man. MVIS has been cranking. Skills is cranking. Playboy is cranking. I mean, there's lots of runners. And moreover, there's lots of penny runners again, baby. Where's my So GSAT woke up, running on no news, mind you. AITX, STI. I mean, there's a lot of them. A lot of your favorite pennies are running again, so yeah, it seems like the algos have definitely been turned back on, and not just the mean algos that crash SPY. ASXC was crazy today. So no specific ticker to watch today because all your favorites seem like they're running again. So really wanted to just make sure aware that tomorrow and Wednesday there is going to be volatility. Do not chase stuff. Just wait for the opportunity. It will come. We will see flushes in everything. I guarantee it. Probably flash crashes, but there's going to be some flushing and it'll present some buying opportunities. So just think back to some of your old favorites, some of your old favorite runners, man. FRSX, I want to load this thing up again. That ride over there was fun, so I'm ready to do that again. So yeah, traders, just keep your eyes peeled, be ready. We got a week of volatility ahead. Should be interesting. So hit the thing, do the stuff, follow me on the stuff and things if you don't. Join the Discord, and I will see you in the next one, traders.